find window size of user computer in pixel. It used to find the window size of user computer in pixel. Like a person will open your page in laptop, CSS will find it out what is the width of user computer screen. What is the screen width of user computer? If a person will open in mobile phone, CSS will find it. What is the width of user computer? User mobile screen size. That media query is going to help us to get the window size of user computer. And again, once we get the window size of user computer, we can alter the CSS and will make the page responsive. So we can create an example media query.html. In any folder you can create. Internal is also fine. Media query.html. Because in this file we'll write the CSS in the same file, like the internal CSS. Media query.html. HTML will start here. We'll follow the body tag and head tag. Head tag and body tag. Next, after this, under head part, you will open the style tag. Close the style tag. Then inside the body tag, let's write one h1 tag. Welcome to media query. Okay, we wrote welcome to JavaScript, sorry, medium to media query. Now come to the CSS part. Write a CSS for h1. Write a CSS for h1. Color, red color. Font hyphen size, 80 pixel. Color red color and font size 80 px. Okay, we wrote it. Welcome to media query, and we wrote h1 tag. Now for h1 tag, such a big font size will appear. Big font size appear, right? Let's push inside the middle. Text align, column center. Okay, now h1 will come in the middle. We will test that media query part. So this happened media query. Now let's go write the CSS for other device. If a person will open this page in mobile phone, how the h1 should look. In mobile phone, if you are displaying such a big font size like this, see what will happen? Line break will happen. Welcome to media query. Plus it will look very overload in the mobile. Since the font size you have given very big. We wanted if a person open in the mobile phone in a small screen like this, the font size should become small. It should not be such a large. So how will come to know who has opened in which device, right? Because after developing the project, you will upload in server, you will be in home, and people will open your website at any time from any device, right? So no problem. For that we have a CSS. Whenever anyone will open the page in any device, CSS will understand what is this device and what is the window size of particular user screen. Okay, screen size of a user device. So now right here a comment call a small device media query start here. For a small device media query start here. Come down. Next write @media space screen space and space mean width, minimum width, mean width 1 pixel and max width 600 pixel. So you are applying a condition between a range. For a range, if device screen size is, if the user computer window size is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel, then this condition will satisfy. We have not written exact number, we have written a range between 1 pixel to 600 pixel. You can say it will be as a mobile phone. So if that is the case, if the screen size is matching under this range, then for h1 tag, the font size should be a small, somewhere 50 pixel. Font size should be a small 50 or 40 pixel. 40 pixel. Font size is between, not font size, window size is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel. For H1 tag in current page, the font size will be only 40 pixel. Now let us resize your window and check once. It's happen like this. Make it little smaller and then check once. So it will be up to 600 range. If your device is matching under that range, then it will be like this. You can change the color also, green color. So now the first level of CSS, the first syntax is able to execute. We are able to track the device window width. Based on that, many things is possible. Okay, so hope you made ready. Let us check again. Changing. So if same person will you open this page in the laptop, large screen, window size, if browser window will be more, he will find color is red and the font size is bigger. Same user will open this page in the mobile phone, he will find the color and font size is the different. So this is one range. Now you write the media query for other type of range. Okay. For medium device, media query start here. For medium device, media query start here. According to Bootstrap, it is all the devices what we use, it is of 6 types based on the screen size. But we will understand three type, 4 type, and then we'll get idea on media query part how it is working. Now you are able to understand what is happening. The media query has not helped you to design the responsive page. Media query has helped you to get only the screen size. What is the user computer window width? Okay, what is the window width? Now within this condition, you are changing your CSS. So page will become responsive if we change the CSS. But again, question is how to change the CSS. In which condition we change the CSS. That will be controlled by media query. Media query will say now a screen user window size is this much, right? User window size is this much. Then at that moment, particular CSS will execute and it will change the design. And we feel like, okay, page is proper working and it is responsive. Right, next media, @media, @media, space, screen and minimum width 601 px and maximum width 800 px. So for 600 to 800 pixel, you are adding another media query where h1 tag will be same, but font size will change. Will become somewhere 60 pixel and color will become purple color. So h1 will be same, but as the window size get changed, the h1 color combination font size will get changed. Okay, now let us check once. So will window is up to here is fine. As soon as it increase, 60 pixel happen and media query got changed. 50 pixel will be okay. Should not break the line. In the same line it should fit. Okay. Okay. So working. Using H1 we are checking. We can add some other elements also. Okay. Next, after that, come down below. Add one more media query section. Slash star star slash for large device media query start here. Now come down right below again. We can copy this section and paste here and we'll change the size 801 to 801 to somewhere 1100 Font size, let's keep as a 65 and color change to blue color for same H1 tag. Okay, happening. Now let's come down. Sequence more than 801 pixel. It will convert into blue color and font size will be also bigger. See according to a screen how your text is getting readjusted. So it is CSS only, but it is getting controlled by the media query. Media query is able to identify the size of a screen, and according to a screen size, you are rearranging the content of the page. Okay, now let's come. 4 type of device your page is going to capture. This is the default one, extra large. Next, after that, after extra large, this become for the large. Then this become for the medium, and this become for the small. Okay. Now come to the HTML part again. Inside the HTML, you can add division, write for division class equal to, write for division class equal to how to get exact breakpoint width, that you cannot get. JavaScript have feature to get the exact window size, but in CSS you have to write range only. Next, after that, write a division call class equal to service one. Service you can write inside, write one. Service, inside the service you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and change this number. Class is same. Class name remains same. Just change the which one? Width 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write this number 10, 12 times. You can add this block. Okay, written. Next, after this, will come up and go in the beginning before media query. Before media query, write a class for this service class. Service class, how we have written is service class we have written, you can see, without any parent, right? We have not written based on any parent. So let's keep under a section tag. Section tag keep and come down and put inside the section tag. Okay, next after this, for this service class, we can write some CSS. Section we kept. Now for this service class, we'll write some CSS. For section also we can write some CSS. In the beginning, for body tag, write a margin of 0px and then write some CSS for section tag. Padding 20 pixel, background fully blue color. Okay, so inside the section tag, background will be blue color and padding for section tag will be 20 pixel. 20 pixel padding and background is a blue. It's like this. Next, after that, you will add a property here called display. Display colon. We have a feature called grid. Like how many columns you want to display in which device. Now we have created total 12 columns, 12, 13 we have. If a person open the laptop and if his screen size is still large, we have extra large, more than 1100 pixel, then we can display four blocks in one line, 4 blocks. If same user will go to the medium size or maybe large size, it should display 3 blocks in one line. If same user will go to the medium size, 2 blocks in one line. If same user will go to the small like mobile phone, only 1 block in one line. Correct? So number of block will keep change according to device. Okay. So right below a property called grid template. It's called as a grid template columns. Grid hyphen template hyphen columns. Grid template columns. By default, how many you want to display? 4. So you will write first as a auto, second also as a auto, third also as a auto, and fourth also as a auto. So what it represent? It represent under the section column. Instead of auto, we can write 300 also, 300, 300, 300, 300. So 4 block it will create, and each block width will be auto. Like width will be auto in the sense what it says? It says like if you are saying total width is 100%, 100% divided into how many parts? 4 parts. 25, 25 will come everywhere. But again, let me show you once what is happening. Auto, auto, auto. See, how many are coming in one line? 4 are coming. 4 are going to the new line. Remaining 4 are going to the next line. Check once. Display grid template columns, auto, auto, auto. If you write auto 5 times, then 5 column will create. If you write auto 10 times, then 10 column it will create. If you write auto 2 times, then only 2 column it will create. Now inside this section, we have division, and for that division we are given the class called service. So let us write some CSS for the service also. Service service. Now for the service we can say width for each service assume 300 pixel, or if you width what will write, it has to fit all together there. Okay, hold on. Let's write background width, because width you are not writing manually. Width will get decided based on this one called as a number of columns. So background right call white and apply padding inside. Suppose 30-40 pixel. 40 pixel, and text align colon center, and color of the text blue color because background white we are given, and font size of the text suppose 50 pixel or 60 pixel. Margin have written, we have not written margin. Apply margin also 30 pixel. Margin you are applying, so margin should be surrounding. Okay, if 4 blocks are going to come in one line, then between 2 blocks this space also has to apply. See what this grid template column will do. How much margin you have given, how much padding you have given. After doing the minus of this margin and padding, total area will distribute into 4 parts. After minusing margin and padding. Okay. Let me see once anything is coming. Yeah, it's coming here. So after minusing the margin and padding, the total space, available space will divide into 4 columns. If you write 5, then 5 column will come. Okay. Check once. So this look easier than the float left and margin 30 pixel and padding something and something. The grid says like you let me know how many column you want to create, correct? And based on that, you apply for your container margin, padding, everything. After minusing the margin and padding, the total space will distribute into the number of columns. So at this place, what happened? We given the padding 40 pixel. We given the margin also 30 pixel. So after minusing this margin and padding, now available area, the grid is distributing into the 4 part so that you can see equal space is applied. But this will remain same in all the devices. And you see here, it remains same in all type of device. Content is going outside. So we have to arrange through the media query now. If a screen is a small size, then grid column will be only one. If a screen is medium size, grid column will be 2, 50-50. If the screen size is how much? Large, then grid column will be 3. And by default is how much? 4. Okay, let's instead of 4 keep as a 5 here. So that we'll get proper. Add grid column 5. Check now, working for everyone. Are you able to see number of blocks like this? 5s are fitting in one line now. Next, after this, come down for this grid column. The line we have written grid column. This number of column we need to change according to device. So we'll go to the first small device, and in a small device we will write the same section tag how you have written H1. Similar way, open the section tag, and in section tag you write grid template auto only one time. Grid template auto only one time. So in mobile phone, it will create one column in one line, and second column will go to the new line. Each line will have only one box. Each line will have only one item. Grid template columns auto. One time I have written, I will identify once happening. Correct? Working for a small device. Now you will copy the same section tag and you will go for the medium device 600 to 800 and you will write here for section tag auto and auto two times. Auto and auto two times so that it will display total two columns in one line. It will display two columns in one line. It will display two columns in one line. If a screen size is up to 800 pixel. Once we go little forward, see two column happen and automatically content got adjusted. Now if you go to the 801 to 1100, you need to display three lines. So you will write auto three times. Auto, you will write all three times. Happen. Make auto three times. Three blocks will appear. And once it become bigger screen, automatically 5 block will appear. So readers who are going to see the content, they will not feel the contents are compressed or they will not feel the content is overlapping. It will. In grid, we have some more property. Okay, spacing, column around, space around, space between. Okay, and some more are there. We will be implementing all. So media query will help us to make the page responsive. Let me send you this file in your chat. Okay, some more small changes will do. So till here you are fine, right? Your page is working well. Now come to the how to find the width range. I will guide you in the next class. In browser there is a tool. In the browser you have the tool here. You can do right click, After doing right click, can you see this one? Inspect element, and here mobile icon is there. Click on this and then go for this. Which one? Here. Dimension. Okay. This is the dimension. Where responsive check. Even there is a different type of device also. You can select the device, and in device here will be the normal range. Auto fit adjust 100%. So like this. Change in the devices and check once. iPhone Pro 12, how it look in 300 to this much. What is this? 32%, 100%, how it will. Yeah. If anyone will open this page in this device, this much to this much range. So this range we can responsive check if you go and make this number somewhere how much? 1 pixel, 2. Okay, pixel is not ready to go because there will not be such device. No? Mobile is small, how much? 320. Okay, so 1 pixel, 2. Here how much we are given? 600. Now range will be something. Minimum will be somewhere, no? How much? It says for mobile 300, right? 320. It look like this. 45%, 100% width if you go, 100%. It's like this. 300 to this much. We need to increase this. So from here you can check exact which size is that, the number. So while designing the page, you will do R&D from this place only. 601 we have given. In the 601, its call is a responsive. 3 are coming. 3 is under which range we have written? 3 is under the range of auto here up to 1100. This number you can find from here exact. And then suppose now what it says, it says like if I go to the first device, this one, what is the range? 375 to 666. It's fitting here. How many? 3 are coming. Like in case we want, no, this has to be only one. What we'll do is we'll go here and we have written 1 pixel somewhere. We have started from 1 pixel. What pixel is shows here? 375 shows. Let's change to 375. 375 to till where? To 666. 667. 667. Now let us check anything happening in this range or not. Okay, that is not coming here. This also we have given, no? So we need to cut this part. Because what will come in the last, that will get applied. Now let us go replace here, but here how many are fitting? Is fitting called multiple. That is a different size. This is what can say 3. How much is 75 pixel to this much? Okay. We have one more method. We can write exact width also @media, but their range we cannot give again. See. It should fit in this size 0. It was 100%. Control 0. 75 to this much. What device it was? First one, no? First or second? First one. Okay. So according to first one, right, our formula says so this point hold up. That is not matter. Matter is here responsive part. This has to be. This should go to where? New line. Okay. We have solution. We'll find it. So what we have given the range? The lower size is increasing. One pixel to 600 pixel. When I come in here, three are coming in one line. So which is match? Is match for this one. 801 to 1100. Okay. Three are coming. Let me come to the this section right here. Exclamation important. Here also important. Here also important. Every time it's how many? Only 3. It is going to which section? This section. Mean width 801 to, if I cut this, where it will go? This coming to where? Default one. Okay. It's coming to the default one. But when I check without this one, and close this and check here. Okay, this is fitting properly, right? This is fitting properly. Okay, this is fitting properly. Go to the right click, inspect it. Then in this case, why is not fitting it? See the place where we inspect and we can find it exact width. But every time it's appear to run only 3. More than that when we are going like 800. Okay. This ratio is okay, but is not coming to the next level. No, something we have to add here inside our CSS. But everywhere we have added important are added everywhere. Mm, Important is added. In this case, this work well. Let me add one more line here. Media query without range. What we have added that is based on range. Let me add this line. Okay. Media query max width up to 600. Max width 600 pixels, then this would happen. And media query max width up to 800 pixel, then this should happen. If this is working, then well. Then something else. Media query up to 1100 pixel. 1100 pixel. This is done. Okay. To the page and go here in the range of where to where up to 600. No, that is not reflecting. Every time it's coming to where third only. It's not going to the first even. Okay, no problem. We'll find out some other solution for this. So you can see every time where it's going, it's coming to the third section in all devices. Something we have made here mistake, maybe grid related, some property we need to add. Okay, so this file will revert back what we have added. Our code was till where? 1 to where? 600. Now the last important was added, that is the next matter. So when we are here, exact width has the problem. This is every time it is pointing to the 601 to 1100. It is not listing this point. Maybe something related to grid or see here it is okay. More than that, can see number of blocks are changing well, but less than that, it is not ready to come down. All devices see something similar. You can send me your code, but tomorrow, okay? Today we will leave here. I have one more other work also. So we'll find out the solution of this. Exact how we can apply. Okay. I will share you this file. You can take this file and see you tomorrow. Okay. You can take that file. I will end the session. One other work I have homework.